Hi everybody, Steve here in downtown Palm Springs, right in front of the Palm Springs Art Museum, which is right behind me here. And I was here early this morning to watch them start assembling the giant Marilyn Monroe statue that's finally come back to Palm Springs. It was first here just 5-6 years ago, I believe, right in the corner over here, the corner of Tahquitz Canyon Way and Palm Canyon Drive. And in case you're wondering just how large the statue or sculpture is, that's me standing next to Marilyn Monroe's right leg in 2013, and as you can see, she's pretty enormous. That corner has since been developed, and it's now a Starbucks where the Marilyn Monroe statue used to be standing. This is June 9th, 2021. Right now it's noon. And I just wanted to stop by and make a quick video today to let you all know that the Forever Marilyn statue is finally back in town, and apparently this time for good. It may take a few days or more to assemble all of the pieces, but I thought it would be fun to come down and watch the progress. And it's surprising how small it looks disassembled. I was here at 7 o'clock this morning watching them install, or trying to install, Marilyn's legs, and there was a big crane here, and the crane's gone, so that's interesting. So now they do have the back of Marilyn's head here, and the guy this morning was saying that they had to drill the holes for her feet. So I guess that really is taking longer than I thought it would take. That was 4 hours ago, 4 or 5 hours ago. I thought that maybe it would already be done. But you can see her legs right behind the red tent there where the three guys are. So the legs are laying down, and I guess they're not planning to put her legs back up anytime soon since the crane is gone. Unless the crane's nearby and they can bring it back easily. So her statue is going to be right here at the corner of Museum Way and Bellardo Road. And it's right across the street from the Rowan Hotel that just opened up a few years ago. Now that the Forever Marilyn statue is here, it looks like Museum Way will just be a pedestrian street, but right now they've got it fenced off, so I'm going to drive around to the other side and see if we can see her face and anything else from a different vantage point. Alright, so here's the museum if you haven't seen it. And the news, Channel 3 is here. They were here this morning as well. I talked to one of the guys who was here to film, but there really wasn't much to film. And there's not much to see even right now. They've got everything blocked off. You can see part of her dress, and well, I guess you can see her face there. Maybe I should park. Marilyn Monroe has always been very popular here in Palm Springs, and it's believed that this is actually where she was discovered, at the Racquet Club, and I did a video about it about a year ago, I think. If you haven't seen that video, I'll try to remember to put a link down below this one, or just search on my channel and you can find it and watch it. She is very popular still today. There are murals around town, there's other little statues. She has a star here in the Palm Springs Walk of Stars. So she's very much alive and well here in Palm Springs in 2021. It's hard to believe that Marilyn died 59 years ago, and even stranger when you think that she's still making headline news. I'm sure there'll be a big celebration here next year for the 60th anniversary of her death. And it looks like they're setting up here for a news report. And let me see if I can zoom in here and get a closer look at Marilyn's face. And that looks like part of her dress there to the left. So I'll come back tomorrow and I'll keep track of the progress. And as soon as Marilyn is back in one piece, I'll shoot another video to show you what she looks like in her new home. But for today, I just wanted to do a quick video to let you all know that Marilyn is back in town. Alright, so I guess that's it for now. Thanks for joining me today, everybody, and I'll see you next time.